We begin with the prosecution and the defense resting their cases in the federal hate crimes trial for the men convicted of murdering Ahmaud Arbery. Closing arguments will now begin Monday. WSAV's Brian Ray joins us live once again from the federal courthouse in Brunswick. So, Brian, this trial is moving faster than the judge had anticipated.
Well, Ben, after 4 days of testimony from 20 witnesses, the trial is now in its final stages. Just this morning before court, Judge Wood said the trial was moving at an excellent speed and told jurors it wouldn't take too long. A legal expert tells me he believes the trial is moving faster than expected because attorneys had a lot of time to prepare, but says now the jury has a difficult job ahead.
If you look at the research in hate crime trials, it's very difficult to come back with a guilty verdict on a lot of these hate crime cases because, again, you really have to get into the mindset of the individuals on that day in that particular instance.
Today, Travis McMichael's former boss, Joe Mandela, testified that on the day of the shooting, McMichael called him to tell him he shot and killed someone outside of his house in self-defense. Under oath, Mandela said when the video came out, he, quote, was shocked and upset. What he told me was a lie. According to social media evidence earlier this week, using a racial expletive, Travis told a friend he enjoyed that job because there, quote, was not a black person in sight. Also today, a GBI firearm examiner brought the shotgun Travis used to kill Ahmaud and showed more photos of his blood-soaked T-shirt, prompting Arbery's father and aunt to leave the courtroom. Both of Arbery's parents say they're pleased with the prosecutor's case and feel confident the evidence will produce a guilty verdict.
They lived among us, and they lived with the mindsets, those mindsets every day, among people like us. And they really didn't like people that looked like myself.
I seen him come in the world. I was proud of him. I said he was going to be something special. And I was proud of him how he tried to fight for his life. He fought for his life.
Wednesday will mark 2 years since Ahmaud's death. The family and their supporters say they plan to have commemoration events throughout the day, no matter the state of the trial. On Monday, prosecutors have asked for 2 hours for closing arguments, and attorneys for each 3 defendants have asked for up to 2 hours for theirs. Live in Brunswick, Brian Ray, WSAV News 3 on your side.
Brian, thank you.